In the manufacturing world, machine safety is non-negotiable. One overlooked safety feature can lead to injuries, OSHA violations, and expensive downtime. For safety managers, maintaining machine guarding isn't just about regulatory checkboxes. It's about creating a culture of safety, reliability, and performance. That's where preventative maintenance, PM, on machine guarding becomes vital. In this blog, we explore the practical reasons why preventative maintenance is critical to workplace safety, how to implement it effectively, and the long-term value it brings to your facility. Machine guarding is your frontline defense against contact with moving parts, flying debris, and mechanical pinch points. However, over time, even the most robust guards can degrade. Loosened bolts, worn interlocks, corrosion, or intentional bypassing can all render your system ineffective. Neglected guards lead to increased injury risk, OSHA compliance violations, costly equipment downtime, and low employee morale. A strong preventative maintenance program ensures guarding systems remain intact, compliant, and effective, safeguarding both workers and productivity. Before you can maintain guards properly, you need to understand what typically goes wrong. Loose or missing fasteners that allow guard movement, cracked or broken panels that no longer shield hazards, blocked or non-functional interlocks that defeat fail-safes, debris buildup, reducing visibility and causing jams, and removed or bypassed guards, often during maintenance. Each of these issues increases risk and decreases compliance. According to OSHA's 29 CFR 1910 Subpart O, all machine guarding must be maintained in a condition that ensures operator safety. In addition, ANSI B11 standards demand regular inspections, maintenance logs, and validation of guarding systems. Non-compliance consequences include OSHA fines of up to $15,000 per violation, increased insurance premiums, and greater liability exposure in case of injury. Regular preventative maintenance helps document due diligence and positions your facility as a safety leader. Beyond compliance, PM delivers tangible business value. Reduced downtime occurs because guards that are well maintained don't interfere with operations, and malfunctions that could trigger emergency stops are prevented. Increased equipment lifespan is achieved through regular lubrication, tightening, and cleaning that reduce wear and tear, delaying costly replacements. Boosted productivity results as operators work with more confidence and maintenance teams face fewer emergency calls. Lower total cost of ownership, TCO, is realized through early detection of issues that avoids expensive repairs and prevents small problems from becoming big failures. To build a preventative maintenance program for guarding, start with Step 1. Inventory your machine guards. Create a complete list of machines and their safety components, tracking guard type, machine model and location, and manufacturer's inspection intervals. This baseline helps prioritize maintenance scheduling. Step 2. Create a guarding inspection checklist. Standardized inspections keep evaluations consistent, including integrity of panels and frames, proper alignment and coverage, interlock functionality, bolt tightness and fastener presence, and obstructions, debris, or modifications. Step 3. Set inspection frequencies, tailored based on machine usage intensity, risk level, and environmental exposure. Suggested intervals include weekly for high-risk or heavily used machines, monthly for medium risk, and quarterly for low-risk or backup machines. Use a CMMS, computerized maintenance management system, to automate tasks and record findings. Step 4. Train maintenance and operations staff. Everyone on the floor should know how to identify compromised guards, understand why guards must never be bypassed, and report issues immediately. Include guarding maintenance in LOTO, lockout, tagout, training, and safety meetings. Step 5. Act quickly on issues. If a guard is damaged or removed, act immediately. Don't rely on temporary fixes, stock replacement parts, or modular panels, and never run machines without approved protection. Step 6. Document everything. Keep detailed records of inspections, repairs and replacements, training sessions, and guard-related incidents or near misses. These records are invaluable during audits and legal reviews. Even with internal PM processes, hiring professional guarding installers like PowerSafe Automation enhances safety outcomes. We offer expert safety assessments and risk analysis, custom solutions for unique or legacy equipment, turnkey installations with full documentation and ongoing maintenance support and training. Installing and maintaining machine guarding is a specialized skill. Don't risk leaving it to general contractors or undertrained staff. Before, a legacy milling machine had misaligned perimeter guarding and failed interlocks, triggering weekly emergency stops. After, our team installed custom-fit guarding, new safety-rated interlocks, and trained operators. Results included 45% fewer maintenance calls, 100% ANSI compliance, a 20% increase in machine uptime, and 0 injuries or OSHA citations over 12 months. Preventative maintenance and proper installation worked hand in hand to transform safety and productivity. When modifying or adding new machinery, involve your safety team and engineers from the start to ensure guarding is designed into the layout and avoid expensive retrofits or unsafe setups later. This collaboration reduces future maintenance burden and supports proactive safety design. Preventative maintenance for machine guarding isn't just a routine task, it's a business-critical function. When done right, it safeguards people, maximizes uptime, and demonstrates a culture of continuous improvement. By following the steps outlined here and partnering with professionals, you create a safer, more compliant, and more productive manufacturing environment. PowerSafe Automation offers nationwide turnkey machine guarding installations, custom safety audits and retrofits, and preventative maintenance and operator training. Contact us today to schedule a consultation or download your free maintenance checklist.